The skid steer that we rented was a big help. Got all of the dirt that was here moved into position, compacted that down. Got a lot of dirt moved around the back of the property and piled up back there. That's a problem for another day. And we brought in all of this quarter minus decomposed granite. It's kind of what we use around here for pavers and concrete base. So there's about 6 inches here of that compacted and graded. This has got a 2-degree slope over here. From the house, the pre-existing conditions of we're going to keep this concrete over here. This is set at about a 1-degree slope. It's not my favorite, but it'll work. So it comes 1 degree, 2 degrees down to this line here, and there will be a drain set in here. So any water that comes to this center section will be able to drain out both ends. Right now we're just setting up for forms. There's going to be a 2-step entrance from the grass area or the lawn onto the patio. So I've got string lines stretched out. I've got stakes put up exactly where they need to go. So now I just need to put my form boards up. My big push is to get the lawn in. We've got everything done as far as edging goes, with the exception of these steps. And as soon as those go in, I'll be able to rent the trencher, come in here, trench some lines for the new sprinkler system, and get that plumbed in, overseed and start watering, and hopefully by Thanksgiving we have grass again. So that's pretty much it. So we have a linear step. It's going to travel down here. I've got about 25 feet of step here and about 40 foot of step that travels around there. So today is just the foundation. Tomorrow we'll take the forms off and move them up a level and pour the second go of this, and then we should be done. Up into 2 pours, mostly because it's just too much to do all at once with the way I'm doing it. This is just the foundation for the cap that gets put on there afterwards anyway, so it doesn't have to be like look real nice. It just has to be done properly. So I have to come in here. I've sealed everything off with foam so the concrete won't leak out from underneath. So I'm going to come through and square that off now with my putty knife and my razor, get rid of all that, clean all that out of there. We'll get it nice and wet, and then go ahead and start mixing and screeding off. And this is the main thing that's holding me up right now with the sprinklers, because I can't really have all of this stuff sitting on top of the brand new seed and making a mess. So we'll get this poured and we can start planning for where the sprinklers go. Get to work.